The Chikkodi Lok Sabha Constituency in Karnataka gears up for the 2024 elections. They will vote on April 26, with results announced on June 4. In 2019, Annasaheb Shankar Jolle of the BJP won with 6,45,017 votes, defeating Prakash Babanna Hukkeri of the Indian National Congress. Conversely, in 2014, Hukkeri emerged victorious with 4,74,373 votes. The constituency boasts a significant electorate with 14,42,206 registered voters in 2014. In the upcoming election, BJP's Annasaheb Jolle faces off against Priyanka Jarkiholi of the Congress, daughter of Public Works Department Minister Satish Jarkiholi, in what promises to be a pivotal contest, especially given Chikkodi's status as a stronghold of the Lingayat and SC/ST communities. Karnataka's 28 seats will see polling in two phases, April 26 and May 7, as per the Election Commission's announcement on March 16.